Come to the biggest freshwater tournament angler event of the year, Angler's Choice Marine's Open House. Explore the largest selection of tournament-ready bass boats and specialty tackle in the country. Angler's Choice Marine, the #1 Ranger and Triton dealer, is the top choice for tournament anglers. Meet the pros in person and find out for yourself. Don't miss out on incredible discounts, up to $7,000 off of 2024 models, plus a free 5-year gold factory warranty with Mercury Marine. Strike now and you may qualify for interest rates as low as 5.99%. These open house events will take place at all 3 of our locations. Click here for the ACM Open House event calendar.
Yes, sir. Good to go.
Good morning. All right. Made it to spot number 1, fishing the Lake Anna Winter Series. Gonna be throwing an A rig around today, probably a Demiki rig, and I've got probably 10 other rods rigged up, starting in the very back of a big creek and fishing the channel edge on the way out. Hopefully we catch them. There's a lot more wind up at the mouth of this creek, kind of protected here right now. It's supposed to pick up a little bit later this afternoon. Feels a little more Demiki riggy right now with like 0 wind. This is a catfish. Dang. Oh, God. Eat it. There it is. Oh, is that a bass? Oh my God. Get up here. There were so many of them out there. Oh yes, let's go. I was losing hope. Nice. All right, 3-pounder. There's a massive school of them too. There was probably, I don't know, at least 20 following this thing. Got bit multiple times on that cast too. Switched it up also. I put the Flash Mob Junior on. I was really starting to lose hope there for a second, at least in this area. I was about to run down lake, which I still might do later in the afternoon, but I had a feeling that if I was able to come up here and find the fish in the creek, could get him to eat, then might be an okay way to get a good limit at least. There were so many of them there. That was sick. Very next cast. Live well's not even full yet. Man, they're just piled up down there. be a bass. It is. Oh yeah. God, I don't know why these guys feel so huge. Oh yeah. All right, 9:43, fish number 3. Oh, look at 2-pounder. 2 1/4. God. Number 4. Seriously, my day was looking not good to start. 2.5 hours to get a legitimate bite. It's been maybe 15 minutes since I've caught the first 2. Right, 9, just over 9 pounds right now for 4. So funny, I've been sticking here, so I've caught all 4 of those fish right in this little area, but yesterday, or 2 days ago, these 2 waypoints here is where I was catching them, and it's hard to tell, but there's some kind of ditch or something next to the creek channel. We're right on the edge, but the ditch is running perpendicular to the bank, or perpendicular to the creek channel rather, and it seems like they're just really sitting in those pretty good. Pretty awesome. All these fish are sitting pretty tight to the bottom, so it's hard to see them to begin with, but they give themselves away pretty good when they eat or when they start chasing, because you can actually see how many fish are there. Oh my god, there's so many fish behind this glide bait. What the hell are they? Are they straight? Oh my god. Number 5. Oh, that was insane. Look at them all. Okay, it's like 10 or 15 at least that are still here. Wow. It's another 2.5 or something. All right, we got 11 1/4. God, I thought this was going to be a lot bigger, but he'll call. Glide bait, secondary point. Let's go. Time to go. Rub it in. That was a big one. Broke my leader somehow. Damn. Guess I'm gonna tie another Demiki on. Alright, gotta go. Alright guys, so I finished up with a little bit over 12 pounds, 12.36 to be exact, and that ended me up in 9th place. First place was 1581 in this event, so really like one big fish away from getting into the top 3. But overall, I'm happy with how the day went. We've had a really delayed winter. Like fall just dragged on, and Anna, even though we're fishing the cold side of Anna, it is a power plant lake that recirculates through the discharge part of the lake back into the cold side. So I think that is going to keep it a little bit warmer longer too. As it gets colder, I think the bigger fish are going to bite. I'm happy with the day. Obviously had a terrible morning, didn't catch a fish for the first like 2.5 hours, and then had a limit within 30 minutes and upgraded a few times. And unfortunately broke a big one off at the end. The A-rig was a big player, glide bait was a big player, and I think I did catch a couple smaller ones on a Demiki that didn't make the video, and obviously broke that big one off right at the end. But this is going to be a weekly tournament that I'm fishing. Hope you guys follow along. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to keep an eye on Angler's Choice's open house. There's going to be a ton of pros there. You can check out all the boats. You can see all of the tackle. Their tackle shop, hands down, one of my favorite brick and mortar tackle shops I've ever been to in my life. I'll leave a link for that down below. Also, I've been running guide trips out on Lake Anna through my buddy Tyler's guide business, High Pole Guide Service. So I'll leave a link for that down below as well. It's been a lot of fun. I've probably done like 5 or 6 trips. I'm very new to this. No matter what your experience level is, I'd love to take you out, get you on some fish. Don't forget, it is winter. So the bite can be tough, but you can also have some very, very awesome days. Thanks again for watching. Please click that subscribe button for me. We'll see you on the next one.